Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to install AnyDesk on your PC. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to anydesk.com/en and you'll be greeted by a website looking like this. So here we can see AnyDesk. So basically what you need to do guys is, as you can see in the top left corner, you have the light mode or the dark mode of the website. The dark mode looks pretty better to me, so I'll be using it. So here we have the why AnyDesk. So we have the solutions, we have something more about the actual company, the support, and the buy now, where you can go and buy the whole application. Of course, in the top right corner, we have that it's made in Europe, the number, and the language that you can go and select. We have my AnyDesk and downloads here. So better software, the smart choice for remote access, download now, start business trial. So basically you can go and see these two. So if you want to download now or start the business trial. Of course, if you want to download it, click on the download now button. Now it will be downloaded, as you can see in the top right corner of my screen. It has been downloaded. I just need to go and click on run. And now when I download it and click run, it is actually instantly, just a second, it's on my second screen. It is actually, as you can see, instantly here on my screen. So basically you can see that we have it installed. So just you have to click run and you have AnyDesk on your screen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.